the Boxycharm base box for the month of November. They do send me this for review purpose, and I do have an affiliate link down below. Let's go ahead and jump into it. And this month the theme is It's Giving Giftable Glam. The version that I have is number 23, and the first thing in here is the Ofra Cosmetics Face It Midi palette. This is $35, and I think I'm going to be giving this away to a friend. I just felt like these were a little bit dark and duplicates for me. So it comes with two bronzers, San Fran and Rodeo Drive, which is that highlighter shade in the middle. So this one is more on the kind of like orangey side, or like, no, it's kind of like more on the pinky side, and this one's kind of more on the orangey side, and that is the highlighter. But I already own a palette from Ofra that is freaking huge. It's called the On the Glow palette, and it actually has a full size of the Rodeo in here, and it also has a bronzer. It actually has two bronzers, these two, and I've used this just the tiniest bit, so I just feel like I have just so much of it that I didn't feel the need to actually keep this smaller one. I feel like this is nice to maybe gift away to somebody, which I feel like is really cool that they actually called this like the, what is it called, the giftable glam. So you could actually like, it's kind of like giving you the idea that you can also, like, if something doesn't work for you or if you're not going to use it, you can also gift some of these items that you get in your subscription boxes away, which I constantly am doing. Next thing in here is the clear brow gel from Belle in Argent. I really like their eyeshadows, and I feel like their eyeshadows are superb quality. And this is just a clear brow gel. Let's go ahead and just open this puppy up. I probably will be gifting this away because I have like 3 clear brow gels in rotation right now. The only thing is that I kind of like this and don't like this. I like the fact that you don't get to see the brow gel, so that way you don't see how gooky it gets. But then at the same time, I don't know, I feel like I want to see when it gets ugly and like all gooky, so that way I know when to actually throw it away. So I'm not sure how, I guess you could see it on the wand and determine that you're going to throw it away. But a nice little brow gel, and this is worth $19. Next up is something that I thought was just way too expensive, and this is the Soleil Let Your Hair Shine. This is a mini heat brush in the shade Apricot, and this is what it looks like. A lot of these small brushes, it's really hard for me to use. I have very long hair, fine hair, and sometimes a lot of these like small, like little portable ones are really hard. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna probably try to test it out and see if I can actually use it, but this is worth $150. It's a mini heat brush, and it's supposed to be like on the go, and it's supposed to help you do your hair and glide through your hair safely and easily. I've never used like a heat brush, and oh wait, yes I have. I think I've used a heat brush, but I feel like you usually have to at least let your hair naturally dry and then pass this through your hair. We shall see how this works. I'm not sure if I really want to keep this or not. It says that it rapidly heats to 400 degrees. It's supposed to lock in moisture for frizz-free hair, and it's supposed to glide through your hair. So basically it just like brush through your hair. And then the next thing in here is the Sophia and Mabel Lip Flick Fruit Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Yuzu. And let's see what this looks like. I feel like this month is just, I don't know, it's just okay. I've really enjoyed their lipsticks from Sophia and Mabel, and then it has a really nice, soft, fruity smell to it, just kind of like a clear gloss, and is just supposed to be like hydrating for your lips to give you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. So you're supposed to use it by itself or actually use something with it. And then the last thing in here is the thing that I'm most excited about, crazy enough. And this is the Amnaha Macaroon Lip Scrub. This is worth $18. It is supposed to be a lip scrub that's organic, naturally safe, and is supposed to smell like a freshly baked macaroon, and you can actually lick it off because it's real sugar. I live for lip scrubs. And this smells so good. I hope that I actually really enjoy this because I've been looking for like a brand to really start buying lip scrubs from again. I used to buy a lot of the Jeffree Star ones, but I don't know if he's even making them anymore. I'm not sure. But this one looks really nice. I love that it's like fully packaged all the way to the top. The shade is really pretty. It's like a pinky purple and it smells divine. So I'm excited to try this. Out of everything in this box, I feel like the thing that I'm most excited is the lip scrub, if that's to say anything about the box. Overall, it's just like a okay box. I'm not even excited about the Ofra. I just feel like Ofra has been seen so many times in Boxy that it doesn't really even call to me anymore. Even some of these brands, I just feel like we constantly see them, that it's almost like not like fun anymore. I always want something like fun, something that's really gonna call my attention in each box, or a brand that I really like gravitate to. And I guess that just depends on personal preference, because maybe you're like overly excited about Ofra and so this is exciting to you. But overall, it's just an okay box for me personally. I don't feel like that excited about it, and I feel like a lot of times you guys can tell when I'm like super hyped up about something, and sometimes I'm just like eh. So I will put the total value around here so you guys can know what the total value of the box is. This is just, Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that little red button. My social media is down below. And let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.